Hello and welcome to tribetopper.com.
This video on solve problems in laws of motion. So my question reads here, a 100 kg gun fires a ball of 1 kg horizontally from a cliff of 500 meters. It falls on the ground at a distance of 400 meters from the base of the cliff. So find the recoil velocity of the gun. So first of all, let's draw the diagram for this. So we have a 500 meters high cliff, and your ball that is fired from the gun is going to fall somewhere here. So we have 500 meters as the height of the cliff, and from here the ball is fired from the gun and it falls somewhere here, which is a distance of 400 meters from the base of the cliff. Now when we fire this, the velocity, the initial velocity is given only along the horizontal, that's u. This velocity is going to remain constant throughout its motion, and it has zero vertical component in the beginning. Now for vertical motion, we just apply the equation of motion, that's s is equal to ut plus half at square. And what will we have it for the vertical motion? H, that's 500, so we can in fact straight away write this as 500. So we have 500 times initial component of vertical velocity is 0, so this becomes 0, plus half times g would be 10 times t square. So 2 into 5 is this, and 5 times 100, therefore t square is 100, so t is equal to 10 seconds. Now in this 10 seconds, the entire time of flight, the horizontal distance covered is 400 meters. But by the formula, it should be velocity into time, because horizontal velocity is constant. Therefore, distance covered horizontally, or which we also call as range, so distance covered horizontally would be velocity into time. So x is u into t. Now x is 400, and that is equal to ux, the x component, into t is 10 seconds. So I get ux, the initial component of the horizontal component of the ball, as 40 meters per second. Now to find the recoil velocity of the gun, I will apply the law of conservation of momentum. So let's find out. By law of conservation of momentum, m1u1 plus m2u2, that is equal to m1v1 plus m2v2. That's the total initial momentum would be equal to total final momentum. Now since the entire system was at rest before firing the gun, so this is 0, and here we have m1, the velocity, and m1 is the ball mass of the ball, so it's 1 times its velocity was 40 meters per second as we found out, plus m2, the mass of the gun, is 100, times v2, the recoil velocity of the gun, which we have to find out. So this 40 would go on the other side, so we have 100 v2 is equal to minus 40. Therefore v2 is equal to minus 40 upon 100, and dividing this we get minus 2 by 5. The negative sign indicates that this is going to be the recoil velocity in the opposite direction of the fired ball. Therefore minus 2 by 5 meter per second, or we can also write as minus 0.4 meter per second, is the velocity, the recoil velocity of the gun, opposite to that of the bullet or the ball fired. I hope you find this video helpful.
Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter at tribetopper.com.